all-wheel drive SS navigation. Sunroof. Leather. 2006 Chevrolet Trailblazer all-wheel drive SS in the house. Silverstone metallic W black heated leather seating. LS2, 6.0 L58 engine -395 HP 400 lb-ft torque, 4-SPD automatic transmission, Carfax 2 owner SS, no accidents. Let's go over all the options on this vroom party starter. Touchscreen navigation, power glass sunroof, BOSE premium sound, 20 polished aluminum wheels, road course tuned suspension, all serviced up with a professional detail and ready to go. Come on in today and take this loaded up all-wheel drive SS for a whirl around our $1.5 million Chevrolet of Naperville test track. See ya soon. One low price, plain and simple. Always.